Welcome to the EOD US Market Recap for Monday, May 11th, 2026, here on Cold Brew Finance. Today we'll delve into key market movements across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit, your host for this comprehensive market overview. Today, key indexes showed a positive trend, with most closing up. The S&P 500 index closed at 7,412.95, gaining 14.3 points, marking a new all-time high for 2 consecutive days. Both the Dow 30 index and Nasdaq Composite rose, continuing strong positive trends. Market breadth showed a mixed trend. While the S&P 500 had more declines than advances today, it still closed higher. S&P 400 mid-cap index faced more one-day declines, closing down at 3,687.88. Russell 2000 also saw high declines but managed a positive close. In terms of returns, the S&P 500 posted a weekly return of 0.19%, while Nasdaq delivered a notable month-to-date return of 5.55%. Russell 2000 outperformed the group with the highest year-to-date return of 15.66%. Leading sectors included energy, which rose by 2.6%, showing mixed trends. Meanwhile, technology enjoyed a strong positive streak, closing up for the 5th consecutive day at a new high with some volatility. Basic materials also maintained an upward trend, closing up 2 days in a row. In contrast, communication services led lost sectors, declining by 2.3%, although it retains a positive trend overall. Other sectors like consumer defensive and healthcare saw milder declines of less than 1%, with healthcare showing a strong negative trend and closing down for 3 days straight. Today, global ETFs showed strength, with Poland gaining 1.7% after a breakout, and South Korea hitting a new high. Both continued their strong upward trends. Taiwan also reached an all-time closing high, highlighting robust gains. Examining returns, South Korea led with a month-to-date return of almost 20% and an impressive year-to-date gain of 98.36%. Other strong markets include Taiwan, with an 8.09% month-to-date performance. Overall, these markets are maintaining robust growth. In the technology sector, Apple ended the day at 292.68, dropping slightly by 0.64. Despite this, it remains in a very strong upward trend, with some volatility over the past 6 days. Alphabet closed lower at 386.77, down by 10.28 or 2.5%. However, it continues to show a very strong positive trend. Amazon also closed down at 268.99, declining by 3.69, following a breakout downward after a period of sideways trading. Meta Platforms fell to 598.86, marking a decline of 10.77 or 1.7%, with a very strong negative trend noted. Lastly, Nvidia achieved an all-time high close at 219.44, gaining 4.24 or 1.9%, extending its strong positive trend for 4 consecutive up days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 81,843.32, down 356.67. This reflects a strong positive trend despite the dip. Ethereum is at 2,337.73, also down by 33.39, with mixed positive trends. Meanwhile, Solana dollars the trend, ticking up 1.31 to 97.75, showcasing significant upward volatility for the past week. Focusing on returns, Bitcoin has shown a monthly rise of 7.26%, dwarfing its weekly setback. Solana impresses with a hefty 17.7% monthly gain, maintaining strong momentum. In contrast, BNB and Dogecoin remained subdued, emphasizing the challenge in broader crypto markets.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing mixed performance today. Against the euro, it's currently at 0.8485, down 0.19%, indicating some downward volatility. Meanwhile, the trend tells a story of continued negative movement. The US dollar against the British pound shows a very strong negative trend with a current price of 0.7346, down 0.16%, following a 3-day flat period. In contrast, the US dollar has shown upward momentum against the Japanese yen, breaking out from a sideways movement, trading at 157.2140 and up by 0.05%. It maintains a negative overarching trend. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar is slightly up to 0.7779, yet still follows a strong negative trend, showing minimal change from a 3-day flat state. Lastly, the US dollar against the Australian dollar is down 0.27%, nearing an all-time low close, manifesting a strong negative trend post a flat movement period.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.